So hey there everyone, and welcome to this extremely disused channel, AZ Drone here on YouTube. So several years ago I'd set up the AZ Drone channel, but then I decided to move the bulk of my content over to my main channel, which is just my name, Rich Charpentier. So I just popped over here, and this is our primary channel now. So there's a couple reasons for the changes a few years ago, but I wanted to update people here on AZ Drone as to the fact that the main channel is over at Rich Charpentier. I will be putting a link down below in the show notes for you. And the reason why I'm on here today at the AZ Drone channel is because people keep subscribing to it. So thank you very much for subscribing to it, but this channel has been extremely quiet. Now, in the meantime, while the AZ Drone channel with 911 subscribers here, over on Rich Charpentier, we're a little over 7,000 subscribers now, and we are doing very regular updates, at least once a week here. And we're covering a variety of topics. Now, one of the primary businesses that I do is actually drone construction progression reporting. So we're overseeing different build sites in our area. We're dealing with residential, multifamily residential, new developments, commercial developments as well. And we cover all of these topics, and I share with you what it's like to do some of these projects for our clients to help you get a handle and some ideas on building your own drone business. So for all of you on the AZ Drone channel, please pop on over, check out the Rich Charpentier, and check out the classes we have. We've started a very new series recently, which you might be very interested in, and it's called Making Money with Your Drone. We've got a full playlist for this as well as building your drone business and several other playlists. In addition to that, we also have classes.azdrone.net. That's over on the Teachable platform. We've got 15 courses up right now, and our newest course is about making money with our drones. So for all of you who've been subscribed here at the regular AZ Drone, which has been so quiet for so many years, pop on by the Rich Charpentier channel. Once again, links right down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you subscribe over on that channel.